everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of goodies from a subscriber friend. So it's hard for me. You guys are my friends and you guys are my subscribers. So I call you subscriber friends. But this was really nice. JJ sent me this. She sent me a nice card. Look at that. That is nice. I am not going to read it on camera, but it is really sweet, and I thank you so much. So it's a get well soon card. So I'm going to put that back where I have it on display. Now let me show you what is in my box. One thing, she made me a pot holder. This is cool. Now I really like this, and I like to use these as like trivets also. So yeah, and I love that green. I love the colors. I love the colors of that. I wouldn't mind having a sweater like that. Wouldn't that be wild? Yeah. I know, it's crazy. Anyway, she put an It Cosmetic reusable tote bag in there, which I like. It's very shiny. Now, the goodies in here. She sent me a hair treatment mask, Moroccan Gold series. I am looking forward to this. I've already opened this box and gone through it, put it back in the box, go through it again, just looking at all the goodies. When I was a little sicker and I couldn't film. I've had this little box a while. I've just been waiting. That smells good. So I am looking forward to trying out that hair mask. So, you know what? I'm just going to take it out of the box because I don't need to keep the box. I've been dying to burn this, so now I can. She sent me a candle. Number 11, Amber and Moss Soy Candle from PF Candle Company. That look cool? I love stuff like this. I love stuff like this. It smells really yummy. Not perfumey, not sweet like that. So Amber and Moss. It's what you would think Amber and Moss would smell like. It smells to me like a walking out in the woods after a rain. Yeah, that's what it smells like to me. And let's see. Also, she sent me a jade roller. I didn't have one. This was something I have been thinking about purchasing. So now I have one. So thank you, JJ. I appreciate that. That is so weird because that was something I was looking at on Amazon, and then when I opened your box, voila, there it was. So yay. She sent me some of this drink mix. I haven't tried yet. Mushroom Golden Latte. It's shiitake and turmeric. I like turmeric and I like mushroom. So I need to try one of these. Tell me, do you like these? I can't wait to try them. It's throwing me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. My mushroom drink is kind of throwing me off a little bit. Also, a turmeric drink is trying, but I'm gonna try it. I'll try anything once. I'll try it. And then what's left in here, I am not going to go through. Wait, let's see. Yeah, this is, I'm going to pull a couple more things out. This is from Bite Beauty. It's the color is glacé, I believe. That is just beautiful. Can you see that? Gorgeous. Let me swatch it. I hate to mess up the tip. It's got a nice sharp tip. There we go. That's pretty. So I'm going to put that with my other lip pencils. There's some other, wait a minute. This is from Belle and Argent. I have never heard of this cosmetic company before. Put it there where you can see it. This is the name of the color is Bored Now, B-O-R-E-D, Bored Now, and it's a gloss. It's a lip gloss, and so, like I said, I've never tried this one. So, oh, it's pretty. You can see the glitters in it. I hope you can see the glitters in it. Let's swatch it. Oh, I don't think you're going to be able to see this, but it is, wow. Okay, I'm picking up all different colors. It's clear. That's why I don't think you're going to see it. But it's picking up all different colors of glitter. No smell. Now, I think there is another in here, I believe. Oh, there's a BDB $1 billion brush. I love brushes. That's a nice foundation brush. So, I got that. But I believe there's another. Yeah, here it is. This is an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. I bet she got it in, I think, a BoxyCharm. I think it was my BoxyCharm. I got the color, no, this is Havana. This one's Havana Nights. I got the Miami something, and that color just wasn't me. I was hoping I was going to get this color. So she sent me hers. And this is definitely, I don't want to put it on. Don't want to put it on that gloss. This is more my color. Look at that. Yep, that's more my color. I love that. That is perfect. So those are what I would call the full-size things, or the things I'm not going to put in samples. There's one other. There's a mascara, and I don't put those in my sample stash, but I do use these. So thank you very much for this, and I'll be using that. And this is a Sephora Lashcraft, the big volume. I don't think I've tried the big volume, and I'm in need of a mascara. I think I'm going to try this now. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my makeup I'm using now, and I'll tell you about it after I use it up in my review of my empties. Everything else in here is, well, there's an eyeliner. Wait a minute. I'm still digging. There is an eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner. I can't tell what company this is. It looks like it's purple. I'm going to have to, if you guys know, I'm going to show it to you a little closer. You know who this is? Let me know. It's got a little design on it, but I can't figure it out. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it is a liquid liner, and it's in purple. That's gorgeous. Okay. So that I'm not going to put in the samples. Now, I think everything else in here is going in the sample stash. So, I'm going to add everything else into the sample stash. So, thank you so much, JJ. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you so much. And I know everybody else thanks you too. Yeah. So, again, guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I appreciate it when you take the time to send me and us stuff we can put in our sample stash and keep that going. I have noticed that Sephora has cut down from 3 samples to 2. Ulta's completely cut out samples, but Beautylish, guys, Beautylish, when you buy from Beautylish, they give you deluxe samples. You get one, but you get a nice sample. So, you guys, if you like samples and you want some nice ones, purchase from Beautylish. They'll send you some nice samples. But anyway, yeah, samples are being cut down, I guess, because of, I guess, these subscription boxes or whatever. But, yeah, if you get something in a subscription box and bag, and you don't want to use it, you know you're not going to use it, I would appreciate it. Set it aside, send it to us, and we can try them out here on camera and tell everybody how they are. And so, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.